Kuki-Zo women gathered in Gamgifai Sada Hills on Friday to protest the death of Josangkim Mar, a mother of three in Zairon village in Jiribam. Rallying under banners denouncing violence, the protesters called for accountability and structural protection, voicing concerns over escalating attacks against Kuki-Zo individuals. The protest began with a solemn moment of silence to honor Josangkim, whom the community reveres as a martyr, symbolizing the increasing vulnerability they face. Details of Josangkim's killing surfaced on social media with disturbing footage reportedly showing her being physically assaulted and burnt. Angie Lun Kipgen, a prominent Kuki-Zo leader, condemned the act as an egregious human rights violation. Kipgen called for both national and international bodies to recognize the plight of the Kuki-Zo people. The Committee on Tribal Unity (KOTU) echoed these demands, questioning the silence from mainstream media and national leaders regarding the incident. The committee voiced its frustration over what it perceives as a lack of action from Delhi, arguing that without government-backed protections, the Kuki-Zo community remains susceptible to further violence. Our people cannot endure these attacks in isolation. We demand that our voices be heard and our calls for autonomy and safety be acknowledged, said a KOTU representative. KOTU also issued a warning vowing that the Kuki-Zo community would take preventive steps against any further aggression. Our community is prepared to defend itself. We will not tolerate further bloodshed on our lands, said a spokesperson.